Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to bring to you today Shri Jigish Doshi, Chairman and Managing Director, Vishakha Polyfabs, also President of the Plast India Foundation. He is not only a leading converter of our country, but a very loved and leading voice of our industry. Jai Shri Krishna, sir. Thank you and a warm welcome to you.
Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you very much.
अच्छा, so sir, आपसे ये industry will actually gain a lot अगर आपका experience हम सुन पाएं. How the different verticals of your organization have performed जब से ये lockdown चालू हुआ था about 2 months back?
If we talk about the last 2 months, it was not good because after 24th of March up to April end, it was a really challenge for each and every industry. So if we talk about overall, it was not good, but for our particularly flexible packaging industries, our factory has got a permission from the 27th of the March. So within 3 days, we got the permission from the government to start the factory. And they pressure us because the edible oil was a scarcity in the Gujarat market. So they pressure us to start the factory. And we start the factory with the 25%, 30% capacity. So, but yes, 2 months was a challenge. Not good.
What is the capacity utilization now?
Now, actually, our flexible packaging industries, we run at around 75% capacity. It's a good, so 75% capacity, and it's a good capacity. In solar, our factory is at the Mundra port. That again, because it is in SEZ, so we also run that factory at around 75% capacity. So it's also, we understand it's a good, we run with a good capacity. But for our injection molding and pipe factory, agriculture related factory, that factory we run at around 30-35% capacity.
There, the monsoon season, you'll probably lose that this season, you think, because the buying normally happens before monsoon in that vertical?
Yeah, definitely. We totally, agriculture industries lost because the peak season is February, March, April, May, and up to June 15th. So this totally season was a lost for the agriculture things.
Okay. How did you manage the logistics so that your supply chain could be managed and the customer demands could be met? Because you are too much into food packaging, and that definitely the demand was very high during these 2 months also.
So particularly logistic is a challenge because the driver and workers, they are not easily available. Everyone went to their native place. And particularly for this Ramzan is there. So the driver is a big problem. So truck is available with the owners, but driver are not available. So I think after 2-3 days, practically it will be going some smooth, but practically it will take another 15 to 20 days to at least smooth for the logistics supply.
Okay. So how has the ratio of the product mix, like you make barrier films, you make MLP, you make commercial, इसका जो ratio है, आपको लगता है कि customer demand change होने की वजह से आपका जो पहले pre-COVID ratio था और अब आगे होने वाला है, that's going to change, and how?
If we talk about the overall different kind of industries, definitely it will be changed because the flexible packaging and rigid packaging, it will be, as per my opinion, it will be a booming industry after at least 6 to 9 months. But yes, definitely it will be a booming industry. Then if we talk about the solar, the solar is again I think it's not booming, and there are not so much challenge. I think, but yes, challenge is there because whenever the capital investment will be coming, now people are thinking 100 times to put a money in a capital things. So I think solar we expect solar will be a booming industry, but now we think that solar will be booming, but in near future there are some challenges. Again, if we talk about the pipe industry, so I am not very much optimistic about the agriculture industry, because everyone is talking about agriculture is a good and everything will be going good, farmers will get benefit, but I think it will be a challenge, because when the government have no money, government have whichever money they have to give as a stimulus package. They have to give to survive the industries. They have to give to the directly to the workers and directly to the poor people. So if government has a surplus money, then they are giving as a subsidy for the farming. So looking lucrative, but practically I think agriculture industries in near future, it will be facing a problem. So it is not easy for government to give a money to the farmers directly as a subsidy or to the manufacturer as a subsidy. So it's a challenge. Then secondly, I think related to food industries, any industries have not a big problem. It will be survive and it will be maybe a going in expansion.
So very well points put. So what I've taken away is that everyone is saying that we've got a bumper crop and agricultural farmers, but your point is that practicality, there will be a different, and people on the second point is that on capital expenditure is going to face a challenge because people are not going to be putting funds into capital expenditure now. Coming to the next point, what I wanted to ask you, Jigish sir, is the changed demand of the customers now. Because of this pandemic, the priorities have changed. You think that you have probably looked into a new vertical which you see could be a good business line?
Definitely we are always open for that, but at present our main target is to focus on our core industries and core expertise, because this is, we think that maybe it's right or wrong, it's always debatable, but we think that at present it is not time for the diversification. If definitely we will get any good opportunity, good partner in something like lucrative things, then definitely we are open. But frankly speaking, target to focus on our core business only, at least for the few months.
You're not planning to get into pharma, sir, because the demand there has really gone through the roof?
Pharma is always looking a very lucrative business, but again, same thing. Everyone, so many people, so many friends are in textiles, so many are in dyes, so many are in other businesses. They always think that plastics is a very good business. It's always a evergreen industry, sunrise industries, but plastic processing people knows how it is a sunrise. So there are also big challenges in plastic industries. But outsider is always thinking that it's a very good industry. Same story, pharma is a good industry. But in pharma, there are a different kind of industries. One is a bulk drug, one is actually medicine, one is like a syrup. And to making a brand, acceptable brand to direct customer, it is not an easy thing. To making a all type of FDA approval, everything, it is not an easy thing. But yes, if we find any good opportunity in pharma, we are open. But at present, we are not targeting pharma as a new venture.
Agreed. Sanitizers is something which is going to become a way of life now. Do you think that films will have to play a role in sanitizers also?
Pardon?
Sanitizers that is going to become a way of life now. Mm-hmm. Do you think films will also have a part to play in sanitizers?
Yeah, definitely. Because actually it is the same story. That's initially the people were used to buy a edible oil in a either tin or carboys or something. Then people will purchase a pouch, cut it and refill it in a carboys. So saying the sanitizer, one time people purchase a bottle or something, then people purchase a refill and then put it in a bottle. So packaging business, in particularly sanitizer, will be definitely to place in a near future. It will be a big business, very big business.
Sir, it is learned that you've started your offshore operations in Indonesia. Congratulations, very well done. And wanted to know that what was your motivation behind this mega decision?
Uh, Basically, mainly it's a strategic call and to supply to the local as well as the surrounding neighboring country. Because actually, this is always my thinking and my passion that we can by quality and by rate and by quantity. Definitely, we can add par with the Chinese. So, we just we are putting a factory there. We are supplying to local as well as the neighboring country who are actually today procured from the China.
Okay. So you've actually, it's very well timed also, sir. With this anti-China sentiment, I think you've just got it by the niche of time.
That when we put the plant, when we started at that time, it is not in calculation. But yes, now definitely it can help.
Absolutely. I think your passion is not only exemplary, but it is contagious also. So I think this one act has been such a mega decision and so much well in time. So much well in time.
I think.
No, I
What is
definitely,
great?
God is absolutely great. Any fundamental changes, sir, that you've are you going to do in your supply chain with after this experience of the pandemic? In your deliveries and supply chain method, are you going to change it a bit?
Immediately, no. But yes, we have to think about all these things because the long cargo, maybe directly if from Ahmedabad to Calcutta, maybe I think in a short time, it will be going transport through railway. Today, it is going through truck only.
Correct.
But I think in the near future, it will be by the train because the driver, so many drivers we require, and I think it's a big challenge for at least for the 3-4 months because every driver is going to their native and somewhere and they will come back. It will take some time. So yes, mode of the transport will be going to change.
And probably that can also continue then. You may not come back to road at all then.
Yeah.
Also, have you made some strategic decisions as far as your plant operations is concerned? We know all that policies and procedures we have to follow that everyone is doing. But any strategic changes in operations or marketing that you have told your team to do as a result of the pandemic?
I think it's in our practice from our beginning, and it is a helpful in this time. We always our worker is always our part of our family. We treat our workers not only senior managers. We always treat our workers as a part of our family. At this juncture, actually, when the COVID and everything is there, for the month of March, for the month of April, we made 100% salary to all our manager and workers. For the month of May, also our policy is that we are going to make 100% payment to them. So all this, it's not a big thing because when they are a part of our family, they are working for us for the maybe a last 5, 10, 15 years. So they gave their life for us. So actually, when we calculate them, yes, they are part of our life, we are taking all care of them and their family by giving them a immunity booster, medicine, homeopathic, Ayurvedic, all type of the kit. The initially time we provide a kit to all our 1200 workers, kit for their family for a duration of the 2 months. So if the 2 months they can't go out or they can't do anything, they have a ration for the food. So I think everyone has to now think about all these things because actually if we want to work for the long run, then actually without their help we can't do anything. So now the more the philosophy, the everything will be going to change. I think अपने जैसे बाप दादा का समय में अपन देख रहे थे कि वो पहले अपन अगर कोई भी जगह होता था तो क्या देखते थे कि यस घर में कोई लड़की है उसकी शादी करनी है तो पहले देखते थे कि फैमिली खानदान है कि नहीं, पैसा बाद में देखते थे। अब भी अपनी फैक्ट्री चलानी है ये सब टाइम में और लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए, क्योंकि ये परमानेंट रहने वाला है। आज एक्स वायरस है तो कल वाई वायरस आएगा, वो कुछ ना कुछ रहने वाला है। तो पूरा सब लोगों को मिलजुल के, वी आर नॉट ए कॉम्पिटिटर ऑफ ईच अदर, अपने सब लोगों को एक के साथ मिलके हाथ जोड़ के अपने फैमिली जैसे ही अपना वर्कर वो सबको मिलजुल के चलना पड़ेगा। तो फिलोसॉफी पूरी चेंज करनी पड़ेगी। ये नहीं चलेगा कि आज मैं कोई वर्कर को या किसी को पेमेंट दे रहा हूँ और दे आर वर्क फॉर मी, तो दे आर नॉट लाइक माई एम्प्लॉय। मुझे यही सोचना पड़ेगा कि यस वो इतना काम कर रहा है तो मैं कुछ दे रहा हूँ, वो एक अलग है, लेकिन वो फिलोसॉफी अलग जगह पे जाके करनी पड़ेगी कि नो दे आर माई फैमिली। ये पैसे से काम खाली खरीदा जाएगा, वो टाइम शायद धीरे धीरे करके कम हो जाएगा।
सर एक पॉइंट है, आई थिंक आपने बहुत सही बात बोली, और आई ऑल्सो अग्री कि जो इंडियन कंपनीज हैं, you know, there is a difference between the MNCs where everyone from the management to all the, you know, they are paid professionals, and a lot of companies are there where it's not even you know, independent family owned, it is run by PE funds and all. वहां पर ये जो ह्यूमन वाला टच है जो आपने अपनी कंपनी में इतना अच्छे तरीके से आपने इम्प्लीमेंट किया है एंड अपना दिखाया भी है ये लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे, here the Indian companies loyalty will really come forward and we probably have a chance to excel over others because we have the human team with us, which other companies is just based on a you know, give and take. You pay the salary, it's fine, they get another salary, they shift. But जो Indian companies है, because they will take care of their workers during this time and probably उनको आप retention नहीं करेंगे अगर वो इतनी उनकी जरूरत भी नहीं थी, अभी capacity utilization कम थी. Here where Indian companies will score over the MNCs. This is what I feel. आपका ऑटोमेशन के ऊपर सर कुछ आपने सोचा है कि 4.0 थोड़ा बढ़ाएंगे अभी कि नहीं?
No, no, definitely. Automation के अलावा their future is automation only. But fortunately, all the factories, whichever the plant, from the very first day we start factory in 2001. From the first day, from 2001 when we bought a first machine, our philosophy is very much clear. We only went through the world number 1, 2 or 3 company. So whichever the machine manufacturing company, they are a very good machine manufacturing company and with all automation, we purchase only that machine. So that's a benefit today with us, क्योंकि automation के अलावा चलने वाला ही नहीं है। तो हर एक जो प्रोडक्ट में automation if possible, we have to go with the automation. But parallelly, we have to think about to give a job to the Indian population. We have a large number of population. When the government is thinking to give employment to each and every people, so but we have to make some balance. Automation sure चाहिए for the manufacturing. लेकिन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोडक्ट हो गया, उसके बाद में जो सिस्टम है वहां कोई ना कोई जगह पे थोड़ा सा लेबर इंटेंसिव भी रखना पड़ेगा, जिससे कोई आदमी विदाउट जॉब नहीं रहे, तो बैलेंस कुछ करना पड़ेगा।
Yes sir, we know that you have a heart and your decisions will be driven from the heart. I was also wanting to ask that आपने बोला कि अभी अपने कोर के ऊपर फोकस करो, अभी टाइम नहीं है एक्सपेंशन करने का. But if you get an opportunity, say in India only, some converters want to think कि, you know, they probably have been unfortunate not to take up the burden of these 2-3 months, और वो थोड़ा तक दिक्कत हो गई है उनको. Would you be looking for acquiring mergers and acquisitions or something like that, or that is also a no-no right now?
No, definitely we are very much open for that.
Okay, that's a good.
For the new field, new things, yes, definitely we are not so much now. It's not our target.
Agreed.
But yes, for any existing company, if they look for a good merger, if it's a good opportunity, we also want to explore some business with a good partner.
That's a good.
If someone has a good infrastructure, good production facility, everything is there. But with this pandemic, maybe they are in a something, they are in a crunch. So we also open for that. If they want, we want to, as a joint venture, as a partnership, their expertise will work. our philosophies add, our some expertise will add, and both of we will grow.
Absolutely.
So it is always open.
That's going to be a very good news for a lot of people, Jigish sir. There's been a lot of buzz around this import on the raw material. What are your views on that? This is work in progress here and there. आपका क्या इसके ऊपर idea है कि होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए?
देखो, that is a duty on the polymer. I think at present, whichever the duty structure is there, it is a comfortable for the polymer manufacturer, processing industries, everyone is comfortable. But because of this pandemic, polymer industry is demanding for the COVID duty. But COVID, if material is coming from Saudi Arabia, material is coming from the Germany, material is coming from the US, then what is a COVID duty? If the Indian manufacturer export to the other country, then other countries, some polymer maybe come here. But I think nowadays, if we talk about myself, my company, if the Indian polymer quality is really very good quality. So polymer quality of the Indian manufacturer is a very good. So the quality is good. If price is reasonable with the international manufacturer, then no one is interested to import a polymer. If we are getting a same quality polymer with the same reasonable price just next to my door, then why can I import? Definitely everyone is interested to take a polymer from the Indian company only. It's now only I think some trust, some faithfulness of the both the sides. It is a lacking. कुछ ट्रस्ट का लेकिंग हो रहा है,
थोड़ा सा वो बॉन्डिंग चाहिए, राइट?
हाँ, बाकी ये बॉन्डिंग चाहिए. If the polymer manufacturer along with the processing industries and along with the some R&D institute, if we work hard, then actually development and growth of the polymer and processing industries, there are a huge scope for all these things. And if we work hard in this direction for the growth and development and new development and everything, so as per my opinion, within a 5 to 7 years, our polymer processing industries, polymer consumption will be double. So it's a good opportunity for all of us. We have to join hand and work hard. एक दूसरे के ऊपर एक विश्वास अभी आना जरूरी है कि पॉलीमर वाले को लगना चाहिए कि मेरा माल ये लोग यूज करेंगे, और हमें भी सामने इतना ही लॉयल रहना पड़ेगा कि यस, दे आर माय ब्रदर, वो हमारे बड़े भाई है. वो बड़े भाई जो है, वो बड़े भाई को सपोर्ट करना भी हमारी ड्यूटी है. ये दोनों हो गया तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ड्यूटी सबका कोई चक्कर ही जरूरी नहीं है.
Absolutely, sir. It's always so optimistic view जो आपका आता है. This is, I think, which is your passion that comes out. Just wanted to also have for our industry people, आपका advice या आपका learnings जो रहा है पिछले 2.5 महीने में, और थोड़ा अभी आगे भी ये pandemic कहीं जाने नहीं वाला है अभी. What will be that for all the people who are hearing this interview? Because people are looking forward for big converter like you, कि आप लोग क्या decisions ले रहे हैं, कैसे handle कर रहे हैं, क्या learnings रहेंगी आपकी उनके लिए सर?
पहले तो मैं बोलूंगा जो अपना वर्कफोर्स है, जो अपने साथ बरसों से काम कर रहे हैं, they are not our liability, they are our assets. तो पहले तो उनका ख्याल रखिए, उनके साथ में ही ग्रो होना है. If we are in problem, we have to openly talk with them, openly discuss with our people. Yes, this is a problem to the company, we need your support. Then it's fine. Second, it's not a time to put a good sizable money in capex. Now, क्योंकि क्या है, आने वाला टाइम जो लग रहा है, सबको लग रहा है कि we have to work with the maybe a 50% capacity. If we have to work with the 50% capacity, then actually our capacity will be ideal. 50% capacity will be ideal. Then अगर मशीन में या कोई कैपेक्स में जहाँ, if it is a compulsion, then definitely we have to put money. Compulsion नहीं है तो वहाँ अभी सोच समझ के इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहिए. वर्किंग कैपिटल का क्रंच जो है वो इट विल बी ये रहने वाला है. वर्क तो आज किसी के भी पास, इफ वी हैव अ सरप्लस मनी, वी हैव टू कीप इट विथ अस. क्योंकि वो सरप्लस मनी की एनी टाइम जरूरत आ जाएगी मालूम नहीं है। तो अभी सरप्लस मनी हाथ में रखना जरूरी है। कैपेक्स में रीजनेबली सोच समझ के इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहिए, बिकॉज आने वाला एटलीस्ट फॉर 6 to 9 months factory will be running either by the 50% or 70% capacity, not with the 100% capacity, because of the distance and social distancing, everything, so many things are there, labor problem. So ये संभालना चाहिए। और we have to focus on our core business, we have to strengthen our core business, उसके बाद then we have to think about the other business. And it is a time हर एक एसोसिएशन को मिलकर अपनी इंडस्ट्रीज वाले के लिए एक फंड बनाना चाहिए। जो इंडस्ट्रीज में भी कोई स्मॉल प्लेयर है, दे आर इन प्रॉब्लम, देन दिस इज द टाइम कि गवर्नमेंट तो करेगी, बट गवर्नमेंट पुअर पीपल को सपोर्ट करेगी, हो सकता है कि पुअर इंडस्ट्रीज को नहीं करेगी। देन एक्चुअली वी हैव टू सपोर्ट, दिस इज अ टाइम कि वी हैव टू सपोर्ट आवर इंडस्ट्रीज। सो इट्स अ 6-8 महीने का टाइम है, nothing is serious. I think this 2020 is a challenge. 2021 all of we are going to stable, and we have to take a step to go ahead. And from 2021 it's a golden time for the Indian plastic industries, क्योंकि ये जो आत्मनिर्भर वाला जो शब्द प्रधानमंत्री जी ने दिया है, it's a very meaning in depth. अगर उसका डेप्थ में जावे तो इंडिया का जो डिमांड है वो डिमांड खाली इफ इट्स प्रोड्यूस इन इंडिया ओनली, देन एक्चुअली अपनी जो अभी कैपेसिटी है उससे कई और कैपेसिटी अपने लगानी पड़ेगी। सो इट्स अ जॉइंट रोल ऑफ द पॉलीमर मैन्युफैक्चरर, दे आर मेकिंग ए गुड क्वालिटी पॉलीमर, मशीनरी मैन्युफैक्चरर, ये आज बोले कि चाइना से इंपोर्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, कोई चीज कहीं से नहीं करनी चाहिए, बट then we have to supply a good machinery, good quality machinery with the very reasonable price. Same processors hai, we have to make a good quality product with the very reasonable price. एक combination रहेगा तो मुझे लग रहा है कि 2021 से it's a golden period for the plastic industries. और कोविड में 24th of March को प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ने लॉकडाउन किया, हमारा फैक्ट्री 27th of March से फ्लेक्सिबल पैकेजिंग फैक्ट्री स्टार्ट हो गया आफ्टर 3 days. अप टू नाउ डेली myself and my son, we are going to regularly factory or office without any fear. But ये जरूरी नहीं है, we have to take all precaution. सैनिटाइज करो, मास्क पहनो, ये है कि मेरे हाथ में मास्क ऑलवेज विथ मी, साथ में रहता है, लाइक दी सैनिटाइज, ये सब चीज जो भी लेना है वो करना है। बट अपने अगर अपने स्टाफ में इफ वी आर नॉट मेकिंग ए कॉन्फिडेंट, तो वो लोग भी यही सोचेंगे कि सेठ तो घर पे बैठा है, सेठ घर पे अपनी सेफ्टी के साथ बैठा है और अपने लोगों को इधर जोखिम में डाल रहा है। तो ये सब एटीट्यूड अपने लोगों को भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा। जो होना है, जो आपके वहां मैं पीछे देख रहा हूँ काफी अपना पेंटिंग्स है, फोटोस है, तो ये जो चीज है वही है कि अपना कोई भी धर्म की थियरी में, एनी रिलीजियस, एक दिया है कर्म की थियरी, हर एक धर्म ने दी है, जो नसीब में है वो होने वाला है। तो टेक ऑल द प्रिकॉशन, बट डरिए मत, कुछ होने वाला नहीं है। अपने सब लोग आज भी मिल रहे हैं और अपने सब लोग 6 महीने बाद भी मिलेंगे और 6 साल के बाद भी मिलेंगे। तो अपने कहीं जाने वाला नहीं है, और भगवान ने चाहा तो कोई 1 मिनट में कहीं भी ले लेगा अपने को, अगर वहां उसको जरूरत होगी। तो यस, डोंट वरी, वर्क हार्ड, वर्क स्मार्ट and go ahead. Golden period will be there.
I sir absolutely loved your advice. It is a combination of practicality and optimism. बस ये 2020 का हमको सबको मिलके we just have to get through this time. फिर उसके बाद अपनी V-shaped recovery पक्की है। I think जो भी ये सब लोग हमारे इंटरव्यू सुनेंगे, they will get a lot of faith and encouragement. आपने बिल्कुल इंडस्ट्री की भी एडवाइस दी है. You have given the points, I'm not repeating. और you've also said कि हमको ये बात का ध्यान रखते रखते we just have to get through this year and then 2021 will be ours. Localization में India will be great. Thank you so much. आपसे बात करके बहुत encouragement मिली है sir. And I'm sure all our industry people, आपको individually सबके messages आने शुरू हो जाएंगे. Thank you so much. हम आपसे दोबारा 1 महीने बाद we will take 15 minutes more just to say कि तब क्या short term goals है. But तब तक के लिए thank you so much. Appreciate and Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you, Nidhi. Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.